Today we are going to study here reading and writing these 5-digit numbers. Reading and writing 5-digit numbers. Five-digit number. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. This unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. Then how to read this number 1000 place and 1000 place and 10,000? You read this combined, means 13,578. 13,000 578. 78. Again read the following numbers and write them in words. Here 20 and here 30. 30 means this 1000 place, means 20,000. Then in front of you write answer this 20,000. 20,000. Second one see 68 and here 1000 place 30 means 68,000. Then 79 30 79,000. 80 here 30 means 80,000. In front of these answers you write here 54 30 means here 54,000. 99 30 means 99,000. Then next one question C. Read the numbers, write them in figures. Here in words answers given and you write only number. First one 40,000. 40,000. How to read this number 40,000? 40,000 means 30. Is 40,000. Then second one see 50,000 50. 50,000 50. 50,000 50 means 50,000. Here 100 place no number means here 0 right and this 50. 12,313. Third one 12,000 313 and 13 this 12,313. Then fourth one see 45,003. 45,003 means here 100 place no any number, 10 place also no, directly here 3. Then fifth one see 23,000. 23,000 105. 105 105 means 105. Then 6 1 see 68,000. 68,000 only 5 number here means 005. Then second one question see read the numbers, write them in words. Read the numbers and write them in words. In your textbook all questions in page number this 11. See first one 52,045 means 52,045. In front of this you write answers 52,045. Then second one see 23,409 means 23,409. Third one 45,600 means 45,600. Then fourth one 41 and here 000 means 41,000. Then fifth one 999 means 99,999. Sixth one see 95, here 7, 6, 8, means here unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, 95,768. Then third one question, see. In homework, in front of, in words you write these answers. Third one question, see. Here one box is given. Here 10, 1000, 100, 10 and unit place. Then here 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, means which number formed here? 23,414. On the number slate alongside write these 5 numbers. Write these 5 numbers by changing the digits. By changing the digits in the unit, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 places one at a time. Read the numbers. You change here this place, means here 10,000 place 2, then you write here in 100 place, 10 place, otherwise in unit place. Only you changing these numbers and write here 5 numbers. Suppose firstly you take here 34,241 in this type. In front of this you write in words answer. Again suppose 41,234, then 14,342, only you change these digits at this unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 places. Then again when you write here 32,414, these 5 numbers. Then fourth one question, see. Using each of the digits only once, write 6 5-digit numbers. 6 5-digit numbers. Fourth one question, see. By using these digits 9, 5, 6, 1, 8. By using these digits, you write here 6 5-digit numbers. Then you write here 6 5-digit numbers. First you write 95,618, this first one. Second 59,816, only change your places. Again 56,189, then fourth one suppose 18,569, then fifth one, see, 81,659. These 5-digit numbers write 6. Again one write here 6 1. Suppose 61,859. You write these 6 5-digit numbers by using these digits, and in front of these numbers you write in words. Then fifth one question, see. Write the biggest number that can made using the digits. Write the biggest number. You write here biggest number by using these digits. Some digits given here 1, 5, 6, 4, 7. Then you write here biggest number. Biggest number right here in this digits, which is the biggest, 7. Then afterwards 6, 5, 4, 1, means which number formed here? 76,541. 76,541. Then again 3 questions remain, then remaining part tomorrow. Okay, in homework all these numbers in words you write here. Okay, bye.